Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছি। Okay. Today our shape is triangle. See? This is a triangle. Today we will draw an ice cream with this triangle. Okay, let's get started. First, we'll draw a sleeping line like this. Then what we'll do, from the middle of the sleeping line, we'll draw a standing line. Okay, like this. Now what we will do, we'll join this point to this point by a slanting line like this. In the same way, we'll join this point to this point by another slanting line like this. See? It becomes a triangle. Now what we'll do, we'll draw a half circle from here to here, okay, like this. Now another half circle from here to here, like this. Now we'll draw a half circle from here to here like this. Now what you'll do, you'll erase the middle standing line. Now we'll draw slanting line, slanting line, okay. Now what we'll do, we'll draw a baby half circle here and half circle, half circle, half circle here. In the same way, now from here we'll draw a slanting line and another slanting line. We'll join these two slanting line with a circle. See how easy? My ice cream is done. Okay, now I will color this yummy ice cream. Okay, let's start coloring. Before start coloring, I'll border it with black sign pen to make it more prominent, okay? Okay, now let's start coloring. First, I'll color the cone. I'm giving here brown color. You can use whatever you like. You can always use your favorite color, okay? Start coloring from one side and we'll try to color deeply. Now I'm using red color. I'm giving here peach color, like vanilla flavor. Okay. I'm using orange color here. 1 scoop of ice cream is orange flavor. One scoop lemon flavor. I'm using lemon color. Using red color here. We have to be very careful here. We will not match two colors. See, done. তোমরাও বাসায় প্র্যাকটিস করবে সেম ভাবে। ওকে, আল্লাহ হাফেজ, থ্যাংক ইউ। If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. ভিডিওটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে লাইক করুন, শেয়ার করুন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে আমার চ্যানেলের সাথে থাকুন। আর নেক্সট ভিডিও পাওয়ার জন্য বেল বাটনটি ক্লিক করুন।